A lot of times as teachers, we think we're just going to teach our kids, and sometimes we learn from them in amazing ways. At the end of last year, I had a student who had been struggling for the entire year, and at the end of the year, she needed to retake a test in order to help her grade because she had to pass my class in order to graduate. And so Antonia came to my classroom after taking some extra time to take this test, and when she was done, I graded the test, and she had passed. And she looked at me and said, "What else do I need to do, Mr. Tibbetts?" And I said, "You're done. That's good." It was enough to pass economics. It was enough to pass the test. It was enough to graduate. And as she was leaving my classroom, she stopped and said, "Mr. Tibbetts, I'm the first person in my family to graduate from high school." And that's an empathy that I now can take forward in my classrooms as I look at my students, that maybe I don't know everything that's there and I can learn from them.